Here's how to find Instagram influencers. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. Finding influencers for Instagram is very easy. For this, what you will need to do is you have to open your YouTube app, or you can simply go to your Chrome browser and then type in youtube.com, and then you have to log into your account here. After signing into your account here, now you have to search for your niche. If you are finding influencer related to the beauty niche, then you have to simply type in the beauty, or you can type in the names of the channels that you know already. First, determine the specific niche or industry related to the product of your client, service, or the content. However, if you are finding for yourself, then you also have to follow the same procedure. First, click on the channel to open it. After that, click on the About section. Once you click on this section, now it will redirect you to the page where you will find the links. These links redirect you to the social profiles of the person. However, if you don't find the links, you can also find the usernames of their social profiles. Simply copy the profile name, then go to your Instagram account. Now here you have to click on the search icon. Now in the search bar, paste the copied name of the profile. Here, as you can see, we have successfully found an influencer. Here you can check the followers of the profile. If it meets the criteria, then you can simply add the name in your sheet. You can create a Google Sheet with the influencer's username, and then you can also mention the number of followers they have on Instagram. This was the manual method to find influencers. Here is our another method. For this, first you have to open a new tab, and then you have to search for the YouTube channel crawler. After that, you will be landed at this page. Now here in the category section, first you have to enter or select the category of your channel or the influencers. After selecting category, then select the language and the country. If you want to find influencers within a specific country, then you have to select the country name here. After that, you have to select the subscriber range. Here I'm gonna select the minimum subscriber 10,000 and maximum subscriber 100,000. After selecting the subscribers, now hit on the search. Now here, as you can see, we found a number of influencers. Tap on each profile and it will redirect you to their YouTube channels. Now again follow the same old procedure. Go to their About section of the channel, where you will be able to find their social profile links. After that, check the authenticity. Ensure the influencers' followers are real and engaged. There are tools to check for fake followers. You can also use influencer marketing platforms. There are various influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ, Upfluence, and Tracker that can help you to discover and connect with influencers. You can also use Instagram's search bar to find hashtag, keywords, and related accounts within your niche. Instagram often suggests similar accounts. Explore these to find potential influencers. So that's how to find Instagram influencers.